Hello everyone, welcome to QCOT TV, where we look at all the fun stuff. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video, something really rare, and I think it's a very small thing that nobody has ever want to do unboxing for, but I think it's kind of nice to do unboxing of this thing. So here it is, something small. Ta-da! Okay. I think, as you know from the title, it is the Hella Lightbulb. Ta-da! Okay. And in this small little box, we shall open it up. Okay, we shall open it up. Let me get my scissors. Trusty scissors. Okay, and we're gonna see. The reason why I want to unbox this is because a lot of cars from the year 90s, 2000s, and 2020s and below that, they have used this light bulb a lot, and a lot of people back in the day used to have a very simple lighting system, which in those days, back in the time, we use all this normal light bulb. And then here it is. Look how cute that is. We got one here and another one. This one is stuck to the cellophane tape. Okay, get that out of the way. Let's have a look. Hella H7 standard light bulb, 12 volt, 55 watts. Check that out. Alright, and the box here says Hella GmbH Germany. Woohoo, Germany. So it came all the way from Germany. Standard H7, 12 volt, 55 watts, one stuck, one piece. Is the model number. This is the box. This is the original one. See, with the Hella sticker there. If you can see it, Hella sticker. So, okay, it's a very small box, so my fingers are actually trying to hold it because it's a small box. And we're gonna have a look at the light bulb. This one usually you use for high beam. Sorry, this is for high beam. If you have a Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes, this is the one. Or you have any other Proton or Padua or Toyota, Lexus or Range Rover that uses this light bulb, then you want to see. This is how it looks like. Wow! You can see the mantle has its circuitry inside the glass, which gives it light. I remember who's the scientist who did 999 mistakes and one success to create the first light bulb in the world. I'll put his picture here on the screen right here. Whoever that scientist was, I forgot the name. But since the generation of the first light bulb, this is another light bulb. Look at it. It's a halogen light bulb, by the way. And yeah, so if you have a Mercedes and you need to have the correct specification, 12 volt, 55 watt, this is the one you can put into your car because it will not give you CAN bus errors. Okay, so this is the piece at the back here, the connection. Take a look at that, all metal. All right, and that's basically it. So let's have a nice look at that circuitry inside the light bulb. Okay, and then you got nothing in the box, no documentation, nothing, and that's it. And you also do get a very nice GmbH. And you can have a look at the other one and see if it's in good condition. Get all the stamp here. It says 200 Celsius That's how hot it can become, the bulb. Temperature is 200 Celsius. You have to see the other bulb and see if it is in good condition. Take a look at that. Looks good to me. The glass is okay. Yeah. So that is the Hella H7 light bulb for the, I think this is for the high beam. And if you have not seen the D1S light bulb, the Xenon D1S, most of the Continental cars use the D1S Xenon HID light bulb. Go back and watch the other one. I bought the Avanza light bulb for the low beam, because in low beam you can use Xenon, the white light. I like white light a lot. It looks fancy, it looks modern, it looks very, very nice, it looks clean and minimalistic. But this one's a yellow light, and yeah, for the high beam. But again, you know, if you're using Continental car, you do need to change your light bulbs for safety reasons. Make sure that you get the right illumination, the right light that you can see at night, and also during times of situations when the weather or the conditions or driving conditions are not good. You need to have all your lights properly checked. Make sure they're all shining and bright, otherwise you won't get the visibility that you need when you're driving a car. So get your light bulbs changed every few years so that you can get the right get the illumination of the light that you need, so you can see when you're going where you're going at night, or in the darkness, or when times are raining heavily, you know, stuff like that. So, and also for the other traffic on the other side of the road, people can see your car, and you must make sure that people can see you in the night, and during the night, and also during times of the weathers are not in good condition, like it's rainy, stormy and stuff like that. So that is the short unboxing of the Hella H7 standard light bulb. So if you like this content, give it a like on Quick Car TV. If you want to see more videos like this and other stuff about cars, follow the channel Quick Car TV, and give it a like if you like this type of stuff, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.